I've noticed something strange. The smartest people I know often struggle the most with simple discipline, not because they don't understand it, but delay it. It starts quietly, a skipped routine here, a postponed task there. Intelligence gives options, but options slowly become excuses disguised as planning and optimization. A friend of mine once redesigned his entire productivity system. Instead of doing work, he spent weeks perfecting how work should be organized. That's the trap. Intelligence loves systems, but discipline lives in repetition. And repetition feels painfully simple for a highly analytical mind. I've seen students delay studying because they were optimizing their schedule, while others, less analytical, just started and quietly moved ahead. Intelligence creates awareness of complexity, and with complexity comes hesitation. Discipline, however, doesn't ask for perfect clarity before action. One developer I worked with kept rewriting his productivity app instead of using it. He knew every flaw before starting. That awareness becomes mental noise, and noise kills consistency faster than laziness ever could in real daily life situations. I realized something important watching this pattern. Discipline is often not an intelligence problem, it's an emotional tolerance problem. For example, someone may understand fitness perfectly, calories, protein, timing, yet still skip workouts repeatedly. Because understanding removes confusion, but not resistance. And resistance is what discipline is really fighting every single day. Another example, a content creator planning perfect videos for months, while a less perfect creator uploads consistently and grows. Intelligent minds often overestimate the cost of mistakes, so they delay action to reduce imagined failure. But in reality, most discipline is built through imperfect repetition, not perfect planning or flawless strategy. I've made this mistake myself, thinking clarity must come first, but clarity actually arrives after action starts. There's also ego involved. Smart people dislike being bad at something, even temporarily. So they avoid beginner stages, where discipline is actually built through repetition, not intelligence. Meanwhile, disciplined people accept discomfort early, they don't negotiate with it. A simple truth I've learned: intelligence opens doors, but discipline keeps them open long enough to matter. Even in workplaces, the most reliable performers aren't always the smartest, they are the most consistent. Consistency creates trust, and trust compounds into opportunities intelligence alone cannot guarantee. What changed my perspective was this: discipline is less about motivation, more about reducing decision points. When you remove choices, you reduce mental resistance. That's where real discipline quietly begins forming in everyday life. So maybe intelligence isn't the problem, maybe it just makes life louder. Discipline is learning to act despite that noise, quietly, repeatedly.